Son,
Papa.
come.
Why is always told me this morning? What's happening?
See, son, as I was saying, you need to hustle for your life. You need to, you like Emeka. You see Emeka? Emeka is a big boy now. He hustles on his own.